Good afternoon, happy Friday. Welcome to the Market Watch Weekly. First of all, excuse the hair. I know I need a haircut, but it's not happening anytime soon, so we're just gonna have to deal with it as it grows. Looking to the markets this week, it was a mixed showing. Canada actually finished higher this week for the fourth consecutive week in a row. It's been a while since we put together that long of a stretch. A little bit more mixed south of the border. Dow and S&P were down. NASDAQ was actually, once again, it was higher. Looking to market topics in particular, this week's Market Watch is pretty much focused on energy, as on Monday, the May contract actually closed at a negative $37 a barrel. So this week's Market Watch kind of dives into that, what exactly that means, why it happened. Oil did recover throughout the week. It actually closed, I think, $17 today. Obviously, quite a bit down though on the week and on the year still at this point, but not negative $37. Elsewhere, we're getting a lot of questions about, markets directions, maybe standing on the side here, waiting for a retest to the bottom. That's not exactly our message to investors. There's a really good chart in the Market Watch that kind of dives into specifics of a recession in the markets. It's always important to remember the markets are a discounting mechanism of future earnings. So markets are already aware of what to expect. So typically, markets actually bottom 4 months before a recession ends. So you got to take that into account. So our message to investors isn't to get too cute with your idle cash. Maybe you look at buying in increments, do it more mechanically once a week. Don't try to wait for another retest or a big drop. Just maybe perhaps look to buy in increments. Elsewhere, looking to next week, it's going to be pretty big on the earnings front. We've got basically all of FANG reporting, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Google. So there's going to be some tech-heavy names reporting next week. So make sure to keep an eye on the markets. It's been a pretty good showing for earnings so far, but it's definitely going to hit the road here pretty hard here next week. So definitely keep an eye on that. Otherwise, everyone have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you again next week. Cheers.